Welcome to the beginning of my small business journey, where I intend to do small beaded penguin. I intend to make some keychains and earrings. First of all, I want to share all my beads I have now. I'm so inspired and so excited with all of the colors. I bought two palettes of the same colors, and the rest are different, and they're so gorgeous. While I'm beading the peach penguin with a nice flower on the head, so I'm really enjoying making it. I want to share some of my concerns and thoughts about small business. This is the process of my penguin so far. It's really quick, at least in this video it's looks really quick. To begin with the main question, where to sell your end product, and there are just two options: or you selling them in person, so going to some markets, I don't know, like Christmas market or so ever, or just do them online. Online you can go to some specific already created site where you will pay for each item you have sold some percentage, and as well as taxes. So or you create your own site where you basically, like, if you create it by your own, you don't need to pay, you just need the knowledge how to create the site, or you asking some modern tools to help you with create the site where you intend to pay monthly for just the site to be existing, which kind of concerning. Hi guys, just want to make some makeup and straighten my hair because it's look this way when it's at least on video look nicer, and I intend to do tutorial for these cute little guys. You can see I train it a lot how to do them, so it's nice way to explain the tutorial. So see you soon. Hello guys. Yeah, I make all of this just for this couple seconds. To be honest, it's the main question for myself, where to sell and how to sell, and I'm not sure that I'm ready to pay monthly quite a good amount of price, because I'm selling quite small products. I intend to sell quite small products which wouldn't cost so much. Even after selling like a couple amounts of these products, let's say 5 of them, I still wouldn't cover like the price of site just existing if I ask like third party to create this site for myself. If I intend to create site by my own, it would be kind of time taken from my site. Here's a penguin as a result of our peach penguin on the really bad quality of video. Sorry about this. So now it's kind of Friday and it's 1 week. I'm working 9 to 5, so that's why I look a little bit tired, and I actually want to make a video after I'm finished my walk. It's already dark, as you can see, and I really enjoy these lights. It's like a Christmas kind of mood, so cozy. I really like it. And as well, I decided to I just clean my table, which is bring my laptop, how to call it, but whatever, and tea. And I haven't take any beads yet. I will put it in a bit, but I just want to film all process and just share my cozy evening, to be honest. Another day, another start, and I'm still continue to making some penguins for my future project. I know all of these videos are looking as a mess because it's literally different days, because each days I have sometimes 20 minutes just to do some impact on my future shop, let's say, or on my future small business. Some days I have maybe 2 hours, and other days I have just 5 minutes. I just trying to film the process, to have some kind of history and remembering what I'm starting from. If I want to create site by my own, it's a really time-taking question. I need to have a lot of knowledge, and I probably need to have at least practice how to create site and do all of this board and other stuff, which also sounds really, really, really difficult to myself. The good option for me is here that selling on sites like Itso or some other places where you basically can present your products, but paying a small percentage of each product you're selling. You don't need to pay for keeping your site online, so it's kind of ideal version if I want to run it as online. Speaking about selling in person, it's kind of another side of the coin. You need to do your investigation and research. First of all, where to sell. For example, it would be pointless to sell Christmas presents, let's say in summer, like in agricultural shop selling, I don't know, let's say rocket books. And it's also need to do some research and understanding. And for now, because I'm located in quite not so familiar place to me, it sounds really difficult. The last steps I want to undertake is add some earrings stuff to my small penguins, and it's ready to go. As well, by selling in person, you need to have good presentation via on your website. You just need, let's say, photographs, and that is so selling, let's say, through Instagram or other like social media. You just basically need video and couple of photographs, and that's enough. But when you sell in person, you need to present them. You need to put somewhere your product. You need to put stickers, and it's kind of a lot. So this is my preparation so far. I made 2 pairs of earrings, couple keychain and table frames. How gorgeous are they? When I'm looking on all of these penguins, I just don't want to sell them. I just want to make, and they look really gorgeous. I really like them. But I would like to make them for someone who finds them also like so cute and nice and would like to support me in my journey. But 100% I identify my goal. It's just to make products, to have something to sell, and I'm actually considering maybe to sell products based on order rather than pre-making them and then sell, but it's kind of for another time to considering. And just for clarity, I'm not an expert. I'm just sharing my thoughts and my concerns and what I intend to do, and I'm not guide anyone what you should do. If you want to open let's say online shop, which I'm not ready to do yet, or just create your own online shop, it's good, it's fine with you. Or you probably would like to go on personal markets and you have everything you need. You drive car and you can reach everywhere with all your stuff. It's up to you, and I wish you good luck, and I really want that we as small business be so lucky, support each other, and let's just share this kindness and this human thing that just we as human can be. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting me on my journey to create my small business. I really appreciate it. And actually, if you want to watch the tutorial how to make this beaded penguin, so here we are. I will link this video in the end. So enjoy!